Here's how to make $10,000 a month using AI to redesign websites. This is one of the easiest methods to make money online, and it's brand new and unsaturated. The best part about it is it requires zero coding knowledge. Anyone can do this with a laptop in a couple hours. First, search on Google for some local businesses near you. These can be in any field, for example, construction, beauty, fitness. Then go through these businesses' websites and try to find one that doesn't look very good or is outdated. Take your time and try to find at least 10 of them. Find the contact information for the owners of the business somewhere on the page. Now go to ChatGPT and ask it to write an email asking the owner if he would like a complete website redesign. Make sure to change the names to fit the right website and owners. Once you've got your email template, use the contact information you gathered previously to send them this email. You can easily charge between $500 and $2,000 for a website rework. Try to contact as many owners as possible so that the chances of getting a sale increase. Once someone replies and accepts your offer, do this. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the link of the website. Ask it to give you a detailed explanation of what the website does and every feature that's on the page so that we know exactly what to do. Then head over to Replit. This is the AI agent we will use to redesign the website. It's super easy to use. Just create an account in 2 minutes and then click on the Create button. Choose the Create with Replit agent option, and then paste in the summary that ChatGPT gave you earlier. Then just click Enter and wait for it to be done. If the client wants to add new features to their website as well, or have specifics about how it should look, just tell the agent to do it for you. Replit will then code the entire website for you without you having to write a single line of code at all. Once it's done, you can either directly send them the code that's on Replit, or you can deploy it yourself with the built-in Replit deploy feature and charge the client more money. You can do this over and over again with different types of businesses. Just send as many emails as you can. This is one of the easiest methods to make money online in 2025. If you want to make a little extra money, you can even propose to the clients to redesign their logos. I'll show you how to do it in 2 minutes. Go to Google and type Canva AI logo generator. Click on the first link and then create an account for free. Put in the requirements the client gave you for their logo and click Create. Now you have multiple logos you can use. Find the best one and sell it to them for $50.